Hello everyone. I really enjoy making simple drawings. In fact, you could call them doodles, although I like to call them drawings. Today, I will be drawing some super easy cats. I'm doing this in an art journal that I use for my own drawings, and quite often I will do something, and if I really like it, I'll cut it out and put it into a journal. Anyway, my name is Laura, and I am from the Queen of Mirth. I'm also very grateful to be doing what I love. Now let's get started. This is quite a simple thing. I just want to demonstrate drawing these kitty heads because a lot of people like cats. I love cats. I have one. My cat's name is Hazuzu. And that's also the name of my second Etsy store. I have two Etsy stores actually. One is called Queen of Mirth and the other is called Hazuzu. Anyway, I'm going to be using black felt markers to do these drawings. And so I'd like to make a frame first of all. Frame the page with washi tape. There's lots of ways of framing pages, and I do like frames on my journal, on a lot of my journal pages, because I think they look good. Kind of makes you focus on what's in the middle of the page. Anyway, here we go. So, yeah. And I love washi tape too. I'm a big washi tape fan. I don't have tons and tons of it because I keep using it up, but I really like it. I got this particular washi tape at the Umomo store in Vancouver where I live. There are 3 Umomo stores. It's called, on the store itself, it says Japanese Living. Everything in the store is from Japan. And pretty much every single thing costs $2.25. And some of those things, I don't even know how they can possibly sell things so cheaply because they're beautifully made. For example, this washi tape is just lovely and it's nice and wide. They have all kinds of stationery, Tombow things, because Tombow is made in Japan. Look what I've done. I'm going to put a little tiny piece there to kind of cover up my mistake. I let the washi fold under and I couldn't quickly and easily change it, so, but it's fine. Not a problem. So I'll just put it like this. There. That's okay. I don't think anybody would notice that particularly. Anyway, now let's get to drawing some beautiful kitties. I think I'll use this one. This is a Sakura Pigma pen. I probably got it at Umomo too, but I'm not sure. It's made in Japan, nevertheless. Let's push that down there. Okay, so we're going to do kitty heads today. And they're a lot of fun to do, and they're really, really simple. If you have a child, you can do them with your child. You can do them with yourself. They're really cute. On a page, do a little tiny one over in the corner or something like that. Now this one's going to have little button eyes, and they're pretty much all like this. Yeah. There. And then all of them are different. They're never two the same. I just kind of, this one has a curved head. That one's a straighter one. Now I'm going to give this one some eyes, and then I'll put the pupils of the eyes in the corners so that the kitty's looking sideways, and I think that's really sweet. In fact, I think it's adorable. And some of them have a bit of a smile, and some of them have more of a straight mouth. And I usually give them 3 whiskers on each side, but you know, 4, whatever you like. There are certainly no rules to this. It's just whatever you want to do. And it's extremely relaxing, which is why I'm doing it today. I wanted to choose an activity for this video that is totally relaxing. There's a lot of I don't know what to call it, a lot of concern going on in the world right now, a lot of things to be concerned about, and art is a good medicine for stress, you know, and so why not do this and say, stress, go away, it's art today. So it's kind of like this. So you just do I do an egg shape usually, but you don't have to. I'll do the next one, I'll do it more of a square shape and show you that one. This one will have more cat eyes. And then maybe a little heart-shaped nose. And like that. There. Yeah. In fact, I'm going to maybe make this guy have more of a more markings on his little self, his little face. This one looks like my friend Bonnie's cat in a way. I mean, her cat is all browns and whatnot, but she has the beautiful markings on her face. She's a gorgeous little kitty. So this is kind of the way it goes. We'll give this one eyes like this maybe. And just a triangle nose is good. And yeah. Oh, I said I'd do more of a square one. Okay, here we go. So the square one is more like this. And they're kind of cool too. They're just different. Make the eyes a little bit bigger on this one. There. So the sky is the limit with respect to expressions and shapes of ear, not shapes of ears, but how you do the inside of the ears. This one I didn't even do. Just gonna do it like that. And this one can have eyes shut. just like that. And then this one, I'll make more of a squarey one. Kind of like that. That doesn't, I think it needs a little bit more. Give him a little smile. Yeah. So there you have it. I've got 8 little kitties in a frame made with washi tape. Very quick, very simple. And I'm just saying that these little kitties look good on all different kinds of places. Like if you're sending someone a letter, you can put one on the envelope or right by the address or something, just one little one. You can put them on your journal pages. You can put them where you sign your name, wherever. Just there are all kinds of places where these little guys feel at home. Anyway, thank you so much for being with me today. And I gotta tell you, I really appreciate it. And I'd like you to subscribe to my channel and do press the like button if you like these videos. Thank you so much. Take care now and come back and see me soon. Bye.